Hey guys, so the purpose of this video is going to be to show you how to do a Google site for your project, and also to show you how to do your Voki. So in order to find Google Sites, go to your Gmail and then your apps button, and then you'll be able to click on Sites. Once you click on Sites, you'll get this page, and then you can click Create in New Sites. Would be my recommendation. Once you click on in new sites, it'll bring you to this page where you can create a title page. Insert options gives you text box, images, links, and from your drive as well. You also have layout options and other options on the side down here that you can play with. For pages, you can click the plus button here and add a page. So for example, let's say that you wanted a page for your Voki. Then you could put Voki and it would create a page for that. Let's say that you wanted also to have a page for the system. I'm going to click new page and we're going to say complex system, whatever you name it. Let's say emergency brake. All right. And so it's going to pop this up. You can come in under here and add in items that you need. So if you need to do a text box, then you could come in, click text box, and then that's going to give you the opportunity to be able to type in information. Also, if you need to do an image, you could upload that image from Google. You could also embed a link. I'm just going to show it from my computer. Upload it from your computer. You can embed a URL, video, or a page, web page, to add in there. So lay out your pages, and that will have that set up. Now, for your Voki, go to Voki.com, and you will have to log in or create a free login. Try it, it's free. Go in and set it up. Once you get inside and get it set up, it's going to look similar to this, and you'll just hit create. And now, very important, anything that's showing a star is going to be premium, so don't waste your time on that. Click on the guy and then click on these people. So Abraham Lincoln here you would be able to use. All the ones with the stars you would not be able to use. So that would just end up making your life wasting your time. So make sure you pick one that does not have a star, and then you just go through and decorate them, and then you can basically put words in their mouth once you get them set up. So for example, I've got Abraham Lincoln here, and I can click on the settings option, play on load. That's not what I want. Once you get it set up, you can come to this part down here and type in the text. Hey, I am Abraham. And then once you type that in there,
hey, I'm Abraham.
Obviously that's a girl's voice, but you can change it to be a guy's voice.
Hey, I am Abraham.
There we go. And get it set up like that. Okay. So once you get this done, you'll need to save it, give it a name, and then what you'll want to do is take the link from that and paste that link into your so right here you can get a link. So you take that link and you can paste that link into your website, and that should get you where you need to go. So you just go insert, embed, and then you'd paste that URL in there, and it should pop it right in there for you. Guys, if you have questions along the way, please let me know. All right. Email me, call. Thanks.